Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to the group CNCO, and this is them doing a live performance of one of the songs, Say Vuelve Loca. Say Vuelve Loca. On the Wish Bus 107.5. Oh, I gotta say it. 107.5 Wish Bus. I cracked myself up.
Wish
107.5. Come on, Richard. Remind you, they're singing live.
I can see it in your eyes, you need it. Wait, there's something you to turn around. I don't wanna hear you say you're living.
Okay, come on with the English in there.
She said she listened to it straight when she wanna sing along. But the truth is she go crazy when I play that reggae. You know it drives her loca. Ella se vuelve loca. Yeah, you think that she an angel, but let her lead you on. Cause the truth is she go crazy when they play that reggaeton. You know it drives her loca. Ella se vuelve loca. Le encanta que la vean cuando ella perrea. Le encanta que la vean cuando se remendea. Le encanta que la vean cuando ella perrea. Le encanta que la vean cuando se remendea. Ay, mamita, a mí no me engaña. Y yo conozco bien tu maña. Y ese movimiento rico no me trae. Así que dale bombo.
Come on, Eric.
Mueve ese cuerpito como sabes tú. Dale así, dale más, dale movimiento. Dale, dale, dale.
Okay, Joe.
All night long, you and me dancing to the tempo. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale, dale. Dale así, dale más, dale movimiento. Dale, dale, dale. Dale,
Oh.
dale. All night long, you and me dancing to the tempo. Dale, dale, dale. Dale,
Joe.
dale así, dale más, dale movimiento. Dale, dale, dale.
Oh, that voice.
All night long, you and me dancing to the tempo.
Okay.
Dale así, dale más, dale movimiento. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale, dale. All night long, you and me dancing to the tempo.
Oh.
She wanna sing along, but the truth is she and me dancing to the
Tempo.
tempo.
Oh, that was good.
She wanna sing along, but the truth is she go crazy wanna play that reggae. You know it drives her loca. Ella se vuelve loca.
I love Zabiel's voice. It's a loca. It's a loca. Hey. This is almost like an acoustic version to the song.
Yo sé que a ti te encanta el reggaetón. Yo sé que a ti
Come on, Richard, pull through.
yo sé que a ti te encanta el reggaetón.
Wish exclusive on Wish
107.5. Thank you guys so much for that. Someone did tell me a while back to do reaction videos to CNCO on Wish 107.5, and that was See Vuelve Loca live performance. As you guys can see, they were singing live. The vocals is there. You can hear, I would say it over and over again, you can hear the improvement within their vocal ability from since 2015 till now. Thank God they improved. So let's clap for them. And that was a live version, almost like an acoustic version as well. You know, Eric and Zabdiel stay playing that guitar. And you know, Chris and Eric and Richard were there to give it vocals as well, while those other two gave it vocals and played the guitar. So clap for them. That was CNCO. I really do appreciate it. Please go out and support. This group is very talented. I'm not saying that because I bought the album, but I'm saying that because I bought the album, because if it wasn't good, I wouldn't buy the album. No shade, no tea. That's how I do my channel. If I react to something and I do like what they're giving me, I will buy their music. If I react to it and I do like what they're giving me and it's not enough for me to buy their stuff, I won't buy it. So I advise others out there to give them a listen, see what you like about it. You know, like the album, buy a song, you know, help support. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.